Hi there, welcome back to another tutorial. In that tutorial we are just gonna learning something special and something really cool. So you have seen the Warriors logo, so many people asking how to do that. So if I want to make my own logo like the Warrior logo, so how to do this? It's really simple thing, and very first we have to divide this logo how many parts in here. So very first we have, when you zoom in this logo, so you can see the background have some basketballs, that we can make it one, and the man holding this thunder, so that is two, and the typography. Okay, so we have to make it three parts, 1, 2 and 3. So now let me tell you what font they used. Actually when you know, the font is really important when you're just making the same types of logo for your clients, for your own. So in that, how we have to find out this font. So that font name is Matrix Extra Bold. You can download it from Google, so it's you can download it. It's a free font. Now we have make our main character, so like this. So we are making this logo known as a plumber. So it's a Warriors, we have plumber. So this is much interesting, and you know, that's a bit funny thing, but let's do that. So we have to make a shape, so for better understand, so we have to make this shape like this. Just select the shape like them. So how to do this shape? This is our typography, and that's the shape area. We are just gonna use this type of shape. Okay, so very first we just make it this a perfect shape. We have to make this same shape area. Go to object, then envelope distort. Just select the object you want to use, then go to object, that's envelope distort, then make with mesh. You can use your direct selection tool. In this area I'm just trying to tell something how to make same gradient your competitor's logo like this. So very first you have to do this, just take a shape, and we have to take this gradient option. Just go to Windows and then gradient. So in here, when you just open this gradient, so it have this gradient layer. So just select a shape you want to choose, and then select your layers like this. Just throw it in here. So you can make a gradient using any kind of color, any kind of background color, same gradient, exactly gradient, same gradient. This is it. So we can make this one or more decorative. Try to make this simple, so you can make your own how to do like this, that make it more decoration. And that's it, family. Thank you so much for your valuable time. I wish that's really helped you to make this type of design like this. And if you want to learn how to use the Adobe Illustrator, how to use Photoshop, so every single video is in our channel, so please go there and search what you need and learn something new. Please, if you have any confusion, just comment down below, and let me show more love, because your love and your support make this family bigger. So thank you so much, and take care. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.